I'm dating a very popular pastor in Nigeria and I'm obsessed with him. I met this man while I was traveling to Dubai. He was with his wife and they were traveling together. So I reached out to him. I was like, oh, hi, good afternoon, daddy. I started telling him about a particular problem I needed prayers and I asked for his number. He gave it to me. I genuinely needed prayers and I reached out to him a couple of times, but I guess he was too busy. So there was a particular day he called me back and I told him this is who I was and then he prayed with me. I had no romantic thoughts whatsoever until after like a week. So he texted me on WhatsApp. Obviously, I saved his number. He was like, God bless you. Can I talk to you? I said yes. He asked if I was still in Dubai. I said yes. He had left. They wanted to stay for 2 weeks, but because of one program or the other, he had to